I'm going to explain to you how to use this industry case study tool, a tool that is available for you as part of Module 1, Lesson 2. If you go and access this tool, Industry Case Study Part 2, you are going to get more insights about industry and domains of your passion. The objective of this industry case study tool is to help you learn how to discover and assemble real world problem. Remember, while you're discovering real world problems, you will also get closer to socio-economic trends that affect these industries and domain. Well, while you click on your chosen industry, these are the steps that you will have to follow. Click the tool, explore your interest area and industry. Probably you might have shortlisted 2 to 3 industry or domains that is closer to your heart. That's your passion. Then go and research to get more deeper insights. So while you have chosen 3 industries, pick up each of the industry, click, choose a domain where you want to gain your insights. Access growth outlook. Identify what is driving growth in this particular area. Reflect on how these growth factors might shape the future of the domain. Also remember, check on the challenges. Discover the pain points and unresolved needs within each of the domain that interested you. Record these challenges as they will be critical for your assignment. Review investment trends too, because analyzing investment flows into the domain will help you understand and gain a lot of data points around economic trends and market potential. All the best. Have an aerial view of the industry that interests you the most. Did you enjoy researching around industry case study tool too? I hope you got a lot of insights about your industry and domain. Now, let's summarize. Is there a way to choose the right real world problem? I'm sure you all took notes while you researched. Using your notes on growth outlook and challenges, just identify the following. Are there any gaps and pain points in the industry that you figured out? Who are the people suffering from the pain or the gap? Make a list of the problems, the pain points, and the unresolved needs. Choose the problem you as a team want to address. Then, here you go. Create a simple, concise problem statement. Hey, remember, use the same example on a fintech that we just practiced a while ago. When identifying problems worth solving, it is essential to use a simple filter to evaluate them effectively. Try this out. First, ask yourself, is it a relevant problem? For example, climate change is a pressing issue today. While floppy disk storage isn't, it's already outdated. Next, is it a problem your team feels passionate about? Passion fuels creativity and perseverance. If you love education, for instance, you might work on improving access to digital learning tools for rural students. Then, the third filter. Is it highly painful or desirable to solve? A painful problem could be long waiting times in hospital. On the other hand, a desirable one could be creating a new gaming experience that excites users. Then ask yourself, does it matter to many people or probably companies? For example, fixing potholes impacts every commuter in a city, while solving a niche coding bug might only matter to a handful of developers. Finally, ask this question to yourself. Is it unsolved and in real demand? Is there a customer waiting for the solution? If a solution already exists, like multiple food delivery apps, it's harder to stand out. But a solution for affordable electric vehicle batteries, that's still in demand. By checking these criteria, you can focus on impactful problems that truly matter. Try it out with your own team. The real world problem you want to solve will be effectively identified. All the best.